You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is p equals -1. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Swap sides. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Subtract 6 from both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the p. Divide both sides by -10. Cancel out the negatives. Simplify the fraction. Move the negative sign from the denominator to the numerator. Simplify the fraction. And so the final result is p equals -1.